Okay, bitch. Are you ready to jingle your bells?
Are you ready to jingle your bells?
Hi, sweaty. Don't mind me. This is just the best way I can do this. I'm going to Disney. So guess what? I'm going to Disney. You know what? I gotta sit down. Don't mind this, okay? This is like my junk table. I went last year and I vlogged. It was me and my cousin Maddie. You can watch those videos if you want. They're okay. They're very shaky. But my friend Emmy and her family invited me to go on this trip with them. I'm so excited. I mean, I've got time to pack, but I'm not gonna, well, I don't have time to pack actually. I just lied to you. Figure I might as well just get the majority of what I'm gonna pack. I'm gonna go ahead and pack. That's what I'm saying. So this is gonna be different because what we're doing down there, I'm nervous. We're going camping. I've never been camping. So anyway, I have that to deal with. First night there will be I always get this wrong, Mickey's Not So Scary party.
Nope.
Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween party. You get to stay after hours, which is cool, and everybody gets to dress up. So guess what I'm dressing up as? I'll give you a hint. It's my name. I'll give you another hint. Who do you think I am? Who do you think you are? I am. I'm going as Hannah Montana. We're getting into the packing portion. I think I'm gonna just go ahead and show you my outfits if you care. Anyway, I'm dressing up as Hannah Montana, the wig and a microphone. Shein, bitch. Can you believe it? It might be a floozy, you know? Maybe I'm just like hyping it up in my mind that they feel okay. What era of Hannah Montana do I want to go as? Found a picture of her that's just a sparkly rhinestone tank top. So this is the shirt, and then I got a little mini denim white jacket. I halfway thought about putting the HM logo on the back of the jacket. No, that's too much. And plus I'll be wearing my backpack. I got these from Walmart. They're just cheap white denim jeans. Anyway, so that's my Hannah Montana outfit. One of my outfits, oh crap. Okay, listen here. I was getting outfit inspirations for, there is a spider on my, oh my God, crap. Oh my God, how did he get in here? Ugh. Hang on a minute, give me a second. I'm gonna get the vacuum. Crisis averted. R.I.P. to that spider. Okay, so anyway, like I was saying, and I found out about something called Disney bounding. For those of you who are unfamiliar with it, it is when you can wear outfits inspired by the character, so like using their color scheme. Anyway, I saw this one girl and she dressed up as the Cheshire Cat, and Alice in Wonderland is one of, if not my favorite Disney movie. And her outfit looked so freaking cute. She tagged where she got the sweater from. It was from Shein, and I went and ordered it, and I was like, oh my God, it's so cute. It's supposed to be like a shawl, but there's no neck hole, and I knew that when I got it. However, when I put it on, now I am wearing a sweatshirt, so it's supposed to, bleh. It's supposed to go over the shoulders like this. Like I was gonna wear a white tank top or something underneath of it. But the seam in here is like a fucking guillotine on my neck right now. I'm broad shouldered, okay? This is not gonna work. It was a cute idea. I kept it, I don't know why, but it's really cute, it's really soft. I kept looking and I found another sweatshirt or a sweater. I'm going as the Cheshire Cat for one of our days at Magic Kingdom. Here's the top, and I think I'm just gonna wear some blue jeans with it. I've got some orange sunglasses that are round so it can look like his eyes too. Magic Kingdom for one day. We're doing Magic Kingdom twice. People that have their own Etsy shops and they design Disney park attire, and I saw one. I took a screenshot of it. I really liked this shirt. I thought it looked so cool. I went on their website and I couldn't find it, so I messaged them and I was like, where is it? And they were like, we don't make it anymore. And I said, no. I found out my dad has a Cricut, didn't tell me about it, and I said, hey, can you help me make a shirt? And we made a shirt. So I designed this on Procreate. It's not exactly the same, but it was pretty close. I'm probably just gonna wear, like, I don't know, baggy denim jeans or something like that. I'm not sure. Where we been? So while we were making that t-shirt, I said, can I make another shirt that's Halloween Town? And he was like, I guess. My dad has never seen Halloween Town. He doesn't know what the fuck I'm talking about. He was like, I don't fucking care. I totally stole this from like plenty of other people on Etsy. You could probably find 20 different ones like this. If you look very closely, there's something wrong with this one, but me and my dad thought it was so funny. Being normal is vastly overrated. The eye fell off and is, but we thought it was so funny that we were like, oh, let's just keep it. The hardest day, I just could not think of what to wear for Epcot. You know what's there? Pooh characters, and my favorite, this bitch. And then on the back it has that very I don't know what style this is technically called. It reminds me a lot of I own the brand, the Antisocial Club. Okay, side note, from all of those TikToks I were watching of people showing off their outfit, what I always do, this really annoying thing, they would sit there and they, you know, do that and then they just kick up like that. I'm wearing that to Epcot, probably with some blue jeans and my Air Force Ones or something, Hollywood Studios. And let me tell you something, Park Hop tees. They were really accommodating with me because I ordered Tower of Terror, you know, vintage, whatever this is. Well, when it came in, I was like, oh my God, it looks amazing. And then I opened it all the way up. What the hell is that? I emailed them back and I was like, hey, do you mind if I switch it out for just a solid black one? I don't know why I didn't ask for another acid wash one because I really do like this. But they went ahead and sent me this one. So yeah, another oversized t-shirt. This is gonna be American Horror Story. What the f am I talking about? I really want to dress kind of more like skater kid-ish. Yeah, I think that's it. This is gonna be like the prep vlog, I guess. So Emmy and her family have already been camping at Disney before, so they kind of know a little bit, quite a bit more, not a little bit more. They know quite a bit more than I do. But they like to decorate their campsite. We are doing our campsite Haunted Mansion themed. I say, oh, whoa, deal with it. We started painting tombstones. I didn't finish them. I think Allie, she finished them. But here's a clip of us painting, at least painting some of the tombstones. Allowed. My gosh. Oh! Thank you, Sam. This is my master canvas. Don't peel this. No. I'm gonna cover it up.
My hip. Ow! My soda!
My hip! My soda! It's dripping off your paintbrush.
Oh Lord.
Oh my God, we're panicking. Anakin, we're panicking.
You know you're from the South when you're like out on the porch and a thunderstorm and you just really don't care.
Got the whole newspaper or something? Oh, shoot. Wipe that up.
We need a wet wipe. Grab a wet wipe, Emmy, please.
No.
Somebody.
God bless.
Oh my gosh.
Don't worry. Oh my God.
I don't have to worry about making a. Oh no. How does that look?
Looks gray. I'm getting the cinematic mode.
You put a lot on there.
She's sealing it in. She's sealing the tomb. Okay, so I have all my like camera stuff that I need to bring, which basically is already in my bag, so I don't even know why I wrote it all out like that, but whatever. Obviously my toothpaste and my toothbrush, my brush, my hair products, my contacts. I'm not expecting. I thought I had a portable charger. I don't think I do. I don't remember really needing one the last year. I think I'm gonna try and go without one. My own pillow, my own blankets, towels, washcloth. I don't know what else to. And then I've got a makeup bag that I bought. So let's go there with arms wide open. Wow, I'm out of breath. Ow. Hey, I zoomed in. Isn't that better? Because I think there's one that's like Fort Wilderness, but it's a hotel. And that's honestly where I thought we were staying at when she first told me. And I was like, oh my God, luxury, hello. And then she was like, no, we're camping. And I said, I think we're going to, actually, I wrote it down. We're doing a hoop-de-doo review. Yeah, a hoop-de-doo review. What is it? You tell me. Whatever. I gotta get my Mickey ears. 10 or 11 hours to drive from Virginia to Florida. Every time I come back from a trip to Florida, I'm like, that's it. I'm flying. I can't do this anymore. And it never happens. Oh gosh. I need everybody to know it's 4 in the morning. And we're going to Disney, yay! Woo! And Emmy has got an addiction, and now's the time to talk about it. Plastic blow molds. If you don't know what they are, they're these things. Now she has to pack the whole car full of them. Which I think we're fine. There's Sam. I think we're good. And I'm just here.
Oh shit! Oh.
There's Allie. I'm filming your sister's addiction.
Okay, I would just like to put this out now. Majority of these are my sisters. They're not mine.
Yay! 4:14 a.m. It doesn't have to be aesthetically pleasing. Raw, real, natural, all American. Emmy woke me up and I forgot where I was. I thought I was still at home. When she woke me up, I thought it was my mom for a split second. And I was like, what the hell are you doing here, Mom? An 11-hour drive ahead of us. So pray. We're going to the land of the rodents.
There we go.
And we're off, ladies and gents.
Always thinks about is me. Stains on my skin. I don't want quite a little bit because I feel it coming. So I did something bad.
Oh, I got that angle.
And I do it over and over and over again if I could.
to South Kakalaki. The worst state to drive through. El Toro.
Doesn't think it's more important.
All the palm trees! Woohoo!
My papa used to sing me that song.
Okay, thanks, ass. I can get 2 shots.
Oh, that's true.
I hope I got it. Fort Wilderness Campground.
I got it! Yay! Here we go. Check in.
Welcome. Hang on, we'll be back. Maybe. Hey Sweaty, it's editing me here. How are you? I just wanted to talk about this tree. Because there's a story, not the big one on the left, the little one that I didn't get a video of. Okay, do you see that little white thing? Guess what that is? It's a shoe. That whole tree is full of shoes. And we were riding over there and I was like, doesn't that mean there's a trap house nearby? Like drugs or something? Well, no, sorry, I had to stop it because I thought it was a really cute story. On the way back, you'll see them at the end of the video maybe. There was a, what do you call him? Not a pilot, oh my god. Wow, who manages the boats? A skipper, maybe? He came up to us because I was standing up and he was like, bitch, can you sit down, please? You're making us nervous. So I asked him, I said, what's up with this tree with all the shoes? What is that? And he said it was when captains, or are they captains? I guess they are. Why not? When they retire, they tie up their shoes and throw them on the tree. And I thought that was really cute. Okay? All right. That was it. Anyway. Hope you enjoyed that. Okay, bye. This is so nice. I thought we were gonna have to set up the tent ourselves, but we don't. We have to set up the mattress, the air mattress.
It's my freaking blower.
I don't know. We might have to pump it up with our hot ass breath. What are we doing here, boss?
I don't even care. Okay.
Sheets, we're on Sheets duty. I was not prepared to go to Magic Kingdom looking like this. If you were Sheets, where would you be? I have got to Sheets acquired, madam. It is like 9 o'clock or 10 or something, but we've been awake since about 2:30, 3 o'clock this morning. I'm hurting. I'm tired. I look rough. Me. Ow! What? Okay. I should have peed.
Makes me